Hello friends. Now to solve this expression, we use the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for square root, cube roots, and then exponent. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now, first step, we follow the simplify orders and parentheses. First, we address the exponents and absolute value. So, first absolute value minus 12 is equal to 12. Distance from 0 is always positive. Now, exponent inside the parentheses, there is a 2 square equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. Now, complete the parentheses. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now the expression becomes 12 plus square bracket 5 multiply minus 3 minus 8 square bracket of divided by 7 and multiplied by 5. Now step 2. Simplify the square brackets. As you can see square bracket here. We must solve everything inside the brackets before moving outward, following the BODMAS inside the brackets as well. Now first we multiply. So first 5 multiplied by minus 3 equals to minus 15. Minus 15 minus 8. Now minus will become plus. Minus 15 plus 8 equals to minus 7. Now the expression becomes 12 plus minus 7 divided by 7 multiplied by 5. Now step division and multiplication left to right. According to BODMAS, division and multiplication have the same priority. So we work from left to right. First we divide the values. Minus 7 divided by 7 equals to minus 1. Now we multiply the digits. Minus 1 into 5 equals to minus 5. Now the expression becomes 12 plus minus 5. Next 4 step, addition and subtraction. Finally we step to combine the remaining terms. So 12 plus minus 5 equals to 7. So this is the final value. Final conclusion, according to this expression, by systematically applying the BODMAS rule, resolving the absolute value and exponents first, then the bracketed operations, and finally the division and multiplication from left to right. So the final value of this expression is 7, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.